got back from the gym and I need something to eat, so I was craving chicken tenders, but I'm not gonna get that. So I'm gonna make one of my favorite salads. My friend Katie showed me how to make the salad and I've been obsessed ever since. So first, I've already washed my hands. I'm gonna get some spring mix and put it in here. And I'm making a big salad because Ramsey and I are gonna share this. And I like the half and half mix, spring mix and baby spinach. I have a little bit of extra prosciutto from yesterday when I was at my friend's. So I'm gonna tear this in here. You can use any kind of protein that you have on hand. So some shredded chicken if you have that, lentils, chickpeas, whatever your pleasure. And I'm just gonna tear this and put that in there. It's gonna be really yummy. Now everything is optional. You can just make this whichever way that you want to, but these are the basics. I've also got an avocado that I've already halved and scored, so I'm going to put that in there. You can do a whole avocado if you like to. I don't know how I feel about avocado. Like, I like it, healthy, blah, 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 but man, you guys, we've been eating way too many damn avocados. Just kind of ruining the environment a little bit, so yikes. One of the best parts about this salad are the pickled beets. So I'm just gonna take a couple here. They're nice and tangy. They add a beautiful color. Just really make this salad really vibrant and inviting. So I enjoy it. Let me show you what the brand is. You can find this in the canned section, but this is Aunt Nellie's sliced pickled beets. Goat cheese, that good. Again, a little extra tang. Do as much or as little as you want. And then you can do pecans, you can do walnuts, anything like that. I don't have any of that right now, but I do have some hemp seed. It's got omega-3s, omega-6, and 10 grams of protein per serving. So again, after you work out, definitely important to have protein and carbohydrates. So I'm just gonna sprinkle those on here. The things with hemp seeds though, is because it's high in fat, it's also high in calories, so you don't wanna go berserkos, but just enough in there. I almost forgot the most important part, the dressing. So Katie also introduced me to this Simply 60 vinaigrette. It's the balsamic, it's absolutely delicious. 60 calories per 2 tablespoons. 5 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, it tastes delicious. I love it so much. And usually I don't like these diet low-calorie salad dressings, but this is delish. So give it a good shake and a good drizzle. Oh, mama. Because who likes eating dry salad? Well, one of my best friends likes eating dry salad, but not me. Okay.
Now
Bon appetit.
Gotta get everything.